Metal organic frameworks, better known as MOFs, have officially stepped into the spotlight of global science, with the most recent Nobel Prize in Chemistry recognizing their extraordinary impact. These crystalline, lattice-like materials are finally receiving the acclaim they deserve. And today, we're going to explore not just why MOFs are revolutionary, but why they may redefine the future of medicine. Imagine a material so porous and spacious on the nanoscale that 1 gram of it has the surface area of an entire football field. A material that is not only lightweight and customizable, but behaves like a molecular sponge, able to trap, store, release, and even protect some of the most delicate and valuable substances in the world. This is the magic of MOFs. But how did we get here? The story begins with a challenge scientists have struggled with for decades, assembling metal ions and organic linkers into stable, highly structured frameworks. For years, attempts collapsed, literally. The structures fell apart, destabilized by the slightest change in solvent or temperature. Then came the breakthrough, an elegant self-assembly strategy that allowed metals and linkers to organize into rigid, repeating, beautifully ordered frameworks. With precise chemistry and imaginative design, researchers created a completely new class of materials, infinitely tunable, immensely porous, and incredibly stable. The Nobel Committee recognized MOFs not only for this achievement but for what they enable. From gas storage to catalysis, environmental cleanup to smart sensors, MOFs form a toolkit with nearly limitless potential. But among all of these applications, one area stands out for its life-changing promise: drug delivery. Let's dive into that. Traditional drug delivery faces a frustrating list of challenges: poor solubility, rapid clearance, off-target toxicity, low bioavailability, and short circulation times. But MOFs bring solutions that are clever, elegant, and in many cases, unmatched. First, consider drug loading. MOFs possess extraordinarily high surface areas and tunable pore sizes, meaning they can encapsulate small molecules, large biomolecules, hydrophilic drugs, hydrophobic drugs, even fragile nucleic acids. Whether the payload is a chemotherapy agent, a peptide, or an antioxidant, MOFs provide a level of capacity that conventional carriers struggle to match. Next is protection. Many drugs degrade the moment they enter the bloodstream, attacked by enzymes, destabilized by pH, or broken down by oxygen. MOFs act like miniature vaults, shielding their cargo from premature degradation. This protective effect opens new avenues for treatments that normally couldn't survive long enough to be therapeutically useful. But the real magic lies in controlled release. MOFs can be engineered with gatekeeper functionalities, responsive to pH, temperature, redox conditions, enzymes, or even light. Cancerous tissues, for example, often exhibit lower pH and higher glutathione levels compared to healthy tissue. By tuning the chemistry of MOFs, scientists can make them unlock specifically in these environments, releasing drugs only where they are needed most. This means targeted therapy with reduced side effects, enhanced efficacy, and lower required doses. Picture a patient receiving an anti-cancer drug that doesn't flood the entire body, but instead stays safely encapsulated until it reaches a tumor. The drug is released slowly, consistently, and precisely. The patient experiences fewer side effects, improved recovery, and better quality of life. This is not science fiction. MOF-based nanocarriers are already being explored for chemotherapy, photodynamic therapy, immunotherapy, gene therapy, and combination treatments. Some MOFs naturally respond to light, creating reactive oxygen species to kill cancer cells. Others can carry imaging agents alongside drugs, enabling real-time monitoring, an exciting step toward Theranostics. And the best part? MOFs are modular. You can swap metals, change linkers, adjust pore sizes, modify surfaces, or functionalize the structure with targeting ligands. This versatility empowers researchers to design drug delivery platforms that are disease-specific, tissue-specific, or even patient-specific. But the story doesn't stop here. MOFs are now being hybridized with lipids to create ultra-stable lipid MOF nanoparticles. They are being integrated with polymers to form flexible hydrogels for wound healing or transdermal delivery. They are being coated with biomimetic membranes, like red blood cell membranes or tumor cell membranes, to offer immune evasion and personalized targeting. Every year, new breakthroughs appear, pushing MOFs closer to clinical translation. So what does the future look like? Imagine personalized nanomedicine, where a patient's tumor profile is analyzed, and a custom MOF is synthesized within hours, optimized to deliver exactly the right therapeutic combination at exactly the right rate. Imagine oral drug delivery systems where fragile peptides survive stomach acid thanks to MOF protection. Imagine inhalable MOF aerosols delivering targeted relief directly to the lungs for asthma, fibrosis, or infection. And imagine smart MOFs implanted in the body that release therapeutics in response to real-time biological changes. The Nobel Prize marks a milestone, a recognition of foundational chemistry that enables all of these visions. But the real story is unfolding now, in labs around the world, where researchers are transforming MOFs from fascinating structures into powerful medical technologies. Metal-organic frameworks are more than scientific achievements. They are engines of innovation, materials that can adapt, evolve, and solve some of the most pressing challenges in drug delivery. Their journey is only beginning, and the future they promise is one where treatments are safer, smarter, and more effective for patients everywhere. As we celebrate the Nobel Prize, we celebrate not just the chemistry behind MOFs, but the life-changing possibilities they unlock. Welcome to the next era of drug delivery. Welcome to the world of MOFs.